Welcome back to Make Stuff Nation. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build some convenient planters for your garden or backyard. The first thing I do is start cutting the vertical supports. These are 28 inches long and made out of 2-inch by 3-inch studs from a big box store. After that, I lay out the 3 tubs that are going to be holding the dirt in these planters. These are 18-gallon storage tubs that you can get at most stores. Next, I put the vertical supports near the tubs and start working on my layout. I'm designing this as I go. I've created plans for these planters, and you can find a link to a free PDF down in the description if you want to make your own. After measuring the height and width of this proposed planter, I can cut the long side slats. These are cedar fence slats that I got from a big box store. They're 5.5 inches by 1/2 inch and about 6 feet long. There will be 3 long slats on each side of the planter and 3 short slats on the other sides. The dimensions are all listed in the plans linked below. With the long slats cut, I can lay them out on each side of the planter and measure the width for my short slats. With the short slats cut, I can lay out 3 at each end. I can attach 3 slats to 2 vertical members to make the ends. I use a speed square to get them lined up and then a nail gun to attach them. I space them about 3/8 of an inch apart. With 2 ends complete, I sandwich the tubs between them and measure the length of the long horizontal support. I cut out 2 long horizontal supports for each planter. These are 47 inches long. Then I use the tubs to hold the horizontal support at the correct height and attach it to the ends. With the long horizontal support attached, I take a long side slat, clamp it in place, and nail it with the nail gun. I nail the side slat into the vertical supports as well as the long horizontal support to give it extra strength. I then repeat the process on the other side. With the first 2 long side slats in place, I flip it on its side and attach the remaining slats with the nail gun. I then flip it upside down and measure the length of the short horizontal supports. There are 6 short horizontal supports in each planter. These are spaced approximately 8 inches on center, 2 under each tub. I set these horizontal supports on top of the tubs to hold them at the correct height and then screw them into the long horizontal supports. In this first planter, I add some blocking to add some extra strength. Once the blocking is secured, I flip it upright and drill drainage holes in each of the tubs. These drainage holes are very important or else the soil will get oversaturated and the roots of your plants will rot. My wife and I then batch out 3 more planters. These planters do not have the blocking under the short horizontal supports because I assemble the short and long horizontal supports together before adding the side slats, and I can get a much better joint using that method. With them all assembled, we position them out in the yard and get ready to fill them with dirt. I hope you found this video entertaining and useful. Again, I have a link to PDF plans down in the description. It's free and feel free to make your own. Thanks again for watching Make Stuff Nation. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.